Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to get the buffering effect on Instagram story like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect is similar to the one on TikTok, where it shows a buffering icon in the middle of the screen, which basically shows that it's still loading. You can find this effect on Instagram, create a video and then post it on TikTok. So let me show you how to get this effect on Instagram. Open your Instagram app on your phone, tap on the plus sign at the top right, then tap on story. At the bottom where you see all the filters effects, swipe right to browse effects. Now in the search, type in buffering. You should get some results back. From the result, select any other effect you like. You can browse through them, but I feel like the fourth one gives you more flexibility of when you want to add the buffering effect. Now save it to your effect library by bookmarking it. Now go back to the Instagram story recording screen. Tap on the effect, which should be next to the shutter button or at the beginning of the effect carousel. Make sure hands-free recording is enabled, then tap on record. When you want the buffering to begin, tap on the screen and the buffering effect will start. When you want to stop the buffering, tap on it again and the buffering will stop. This is really useful for users who would like this effect in TikTok, but because of where they live, the effect is not available for them. And there you go, that is how to get the buffering effect on Instagram. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.